Welcome back. In this last section of the lesson, we're going to be looking at reading and viewing, but we're focusing on the language aspects. So we're going to be looking at adjectives and adverbs, at how adjectives and adverbs can express or show emotions, and how you form adverbs and adjectives. Look at these two sentences. The first one is, a skyscraper is a very tall building. We know that the word tall is an adjective. Why is it an adjective? Because it's describing building. Building is a noun. What describes nouns are adjectives, so that's an adjective. We've also got the word very. Very is describing tall. So what describes adjectives are adverbs. Therefore, that's an adverb. Now, if you look at that sentence, it uses one adjective and one adverb. But this is to give us a fact. So we can use adjectives and adverbs to show us facts. Look at the second sentence. She is such a beautiful woman. There's the word beautiful. It's telling us about woman. Woman is a noun, so beautiful is an adjective. This one is not giving us a fact. This one is giving us an opinion. And let's just practice attitude as well. What is your attitude to somebody if you say you are so beautiful? What is your feeling? It's admiration. You really admire the person. So adjectives and adverbs can be used to give us facts or can be used when we're expressing emotions and opinions. So how do we form adjectives? Here we are forming adjectives from nouns. The noun is anger, the adjective is angry. Here's another example, wind and windy, again from a noun. What about beauty? Beauty is a noun and we get the adjective beautiful. What about the word danger? Danger is a noun. We get the adjective dangerous. Then we have use, which is also a noun. Notice we can get two adjectives here, useful and useless, so that we can use full or less at the end of the word in order to create the adjective. Nation. Nation gives us national, like the national anthem. And artist and artistic. These are all nouns. Notice the adjectives can end in a Y, in an FUL, in an OUS, in an LES, there's another FUL, in AL or IC. These are all the endings, the suffixes. Remember, suffix are the little letters that you put at the end of a word. These suffixes all give us adjectives. Notice another one, attract, gives us attractive, but this is now no longer a noun. This is a verb. So we're forming adjectives from verbs. Enjoy gives us enjoyable. Help gives us helpful. Obey gives us obedient. Talk gives us talkative. So these are all verbs, and these are the endings of the adjectives. There we've got another full. These are different suffixes. Notice those are the same there, giving us adjectives. The past participle of the verb can be an adjective. So what do we mean? Look here at the verb. The verb is to break, but we don't say a break bottle. We say the broken bottle. That's the past participle. Look at this verb. to amaze. We talk about the amazed crowd. That is the past participle. Notice the ed at the end of it. Now we move on to how to form adverbs. What have we got here? We've got the noun, beauty. We've got the adjective, beautiful. And now we're making an adverb, beautifully. Comfort, comfortable, that's the adjective. Comfortably, that's the adverb. Luck, lucky, luckily. So what do you notice? These adverbs are all ending in ly. Here we're just adding ly. Here we've taken off the e, and here we've changed the y to an I and got illy. First, firstly. Loud, loudly. Enjoy, enjoyable is the adjective. Enjoyably is the adverb. Forget, forgetful, forgetfully. Notice enjoy and forget are verbs. So we're getting the adjective from the verb and then the adverb from the adjective, and we're adding ly. Just to round off our reading and viewing, I want to remind you that there's a 3-step process in reading and viewing. There is pre-reading, preparing for your reading, developing strategies. There is your reading, a close reading of the text, and that will involve things like looking at adjectives and adverbs and vocabulary. And finally, there is post-reading. And in your post-reading, you're summing it all up. What have I learnt? What have I understood from my reading? But your reading involves all 3 steps. And that's all that we've got time for today. So from me, bye-bye.